Hi guys, back with another daily look. Just gone for a bit of a change, gone for a green smudged kohl look. Again, super easy. The whole look is coming up. This light on my dressing table is really bright. So I'll take some pictures outside. My bulb just changed color again. Anyway, uh, I'll show you some pictures in daylight. Here's the tutorial. My base is just going to be some of this tinted plumping dew and my Studio Fix powder foundation. I'm going for a pale neutral shade for my upper eyelid. Considering this is a smudged green kohl look, I'm going to first take a green kajal or a kohl. Take anything, any brand of your choice and put it on your lower waterline. I prefer smudging my kohl with an eyeshadow that matches the shade because the eyeshadow kind of mattifies the kohl and it leaks less. This is a very good smudge brush, easily available by Color Bar. You guys can pick it up and use it for all the smudging that I show. I'm going to take a green eyeshadow and smudge it so that it kind of goes with my kohl and the green color really pops. I'm going to set my eyebrows with a gel. And I always prefer finishing my eye makeup with a good mascara. During the application of mascara, make sure you wiggle the wand a little bit. That way your lashes won't stick to each other, and put more on the tip. As usual, I always prime my lips with a nude lip liner. This makes my lipstick stay longer. Then I'm going to use a darker neutral lip liner to define my lips. This goes with most lipsticks. I'm going for a little bit of a pink color. This might look nice with my green kohl, and you can use any similar color or any color of your choice. Use any brand of your choice as well when it comes to my makeup. Just follow the technique and keep it easy. I always like using a cheek tint or a mild blush so that the face doesn't look flat. If you're finding my videos helpful, do subscribe to my YouTube. Just type Sreenanda Shankar, which is my name. And on Facebook, it's Makeover Madness. It's about what suits you. Now I'll show you this makeup in daylight. See you soon.